loud or at a lower decibel level. This all thing matters on the situation, to whom you are communicating, where you are communicating, and the version also. Version means आप कैसे बोल रहे हो, है ना. आप वर्सन का हिंदी क्या होता है? वर्सन मीन्स like voice we know, na, active voice, passive voice. Version is something like, suppose there is a worker. If I speak in English with him, crisp English, no use. But I have to come down to his mental level and I have to speak in his version so that it will be effective and the win-win situation will happen, like the work will be done. So the version is very important. Correct? No? So 3C and 3V, if you can keep it in your mind all the time, you will be somewhere a good communicator, good effective communicator. I mean, now I was talking that 90% of the non-verbal communication. We have spoken about the personality. All these things is aiming for a impactful personality. Apart from technical core competency, apart from your, submissiveness, apart from your, what you call, be cool, accept responsibility, all these things are there. That is in development of the personality. And the development of personality of a person in any organization, why it is required? Why the management wants? Because we have got potential, we have got elements in ourselves which are not fully evolved. They are not fully tapped. They are not fully utilized. So there are various tips. If you adopt, if you practice, then your personality will, on a daily basis, on an hour basis, it can develop to your full potential. Then the organization will get benefited and parallelly you will also become very powerful. Because once your personality gets evolved, how you evolve your personality, you imbibe certain things. Again, 3E are there. Imbibe, imbibe, embark, and evolve. I will come where I had left, don't worry. This imbibe is आत्मसात करना. आत्मसात करना माने अपने में धारण करना. गांधी जी झूठ नहीं बोलते थे, वो imbibe कर लिए थे. He had imbibed, not to tell lie. So imbibe, what we should imbibe? We should imbibe good things, good habit. We should try to be punctual. We should try to be, dedicated. We should try to be very, silent or peaceful in our approach. We should imbibe all good quality, virtues. And then we should embark for our, journey to your aim or target. But everybody has got some target. Everybody has. The person who is not having target. So to reach the target, you should embark upon. Embark मतलब होता है ना कि भाई शुरू करना. भाई हम आज से ये चीज शुरू करेंगे. So you have to imbibe, you have to embark to start the journey to reach the goal, and during the journey to reach the goal or reach the destination, you evolve yourself. तुम्हारे में पर्सनालिटी बढ़ता है. You learn, you do mistake, you learn, then you become more, your self-esteem or self-efficacy, which will again, put your self-respect on a high note, which is desired for anybody, either a student, future manager, or persons who are teaching the future of budding managers like me or principal sahib or other faculty. So this is not related much with the topic, but again, remember these three words. It's very important words for any learner. I don't forget those things still. So 3V, 3C, done. We know the communication more or less क्या